Good morning, everyone. I am Ankita. I'm in second semester, a student of RI Bhubaneswar. I am going to present on the topic of secondary education in 5-year plans of India. Since 1947, the Indian economy has been premised on the concept of planning. This has been carried through the 5-year plans that is developed and executed by the Planning Commission and whose chairman is the Prime Minister. The Planning Commission was set up in March 1950 and its draft was published in July 1951. The policy at the present is to make secondary education of good quality available, accessible and affordable to all the young persons in the age group of 14 to 18. The timeline of 5-year plans are like the first 5-year plan was from 1951 to 1956, the second 5-year plan was from 1956 to 1961, the third 5-year plan was from 1961 to 1966, and the fourth 5-year plan was from 1969 to 1974. Fifth 5-year plan was from 1974 to 1979 and the sixth 5-year plan was from 1980 to 1985. Seventh from 1985 to 1990, eighth from 92 to 97, ninth from 97 to 2002, 10th from 2002 to 2007, 11th from 2007 to 2012 and 12th from 2012 till 2017. The first 5-year plan, 1951 to 56, in the first place, secondary education must be closely related to the psychological needs of the adolescent. It is necessary to give secondary education a vocational bias and should grow from the education that is being given at the primary stage. Suitable types of multilateral or unilateral schools offering parallel courses should be provided and the personnel for vocational guidance should be trained. The second 5-year plan, from 1956 to 1961, problem of secondary education were reviewed by the Secondary Education Commission in it and the Secondary Education Commission, which would include both general and vocational subjects too. A proportion of the existing high schools are to be converted into higher secondary schools and multi-purpose schools. And at the secondary stage, the education for girls lagged seriously behind. It is also said in the second 5-year plan. The third 5-year plan, 1961 to 1966, it talks about the development of the economy and a large increase in the number of secondary school and in the number of students from the age group of 14 to 17 enrolled in them have altered the character of the demands which secondary education is called upon to meet. New social groups are seeking education and are coming within its influence. Higher secondary schools, one of the principal recommendation of the Secondary Education Commission was that high schools should be upgraded to higher secondary schools. Science education. The second plan gave high priority to the expansion and the improvement of the science education at the secondary stage. Multi-purpose school. One of the main defects in the secondary education system was its unilateral character. Only one type of academic course being provided for all the students irrespective of their individual aptitudes and abilities. Educational and vocational guidance. The successful organization of secondary education requires the provision of a well-planned program of educational and vocational guidance. Fourth 5-year plan, 1969 to 1974. Secondary education in the fourth plan is expected to enroll 3.1 million additional pupils in the class 9 to 12. The trend of expansion of facilities at the secondary stage. The location of new schools will be determined according to the requirements of each area as spelled out in the detailed district plans. The main effort in the fourth plan will be to enrich the content and improve the quality of secondary education. Fifth 5-year plan, from 1974 to 1979, there was no focus on secondary education in the fifth year plan. Sixth 5-year plan, 1980 to 1985, secondary and higher secondary education are important terminal stages in the system of general education and provide a first stage for linking education with the world of work. The importance of secondary education to prepare manpower for economic development would stress the need to pay special attention to the quality of education at this stage. Science teaching would be strengthened and laboratory equipment provided both for experimentation and demonstration. One of the important skills between education and development is provided by manpower development through vocationalization of secondary education related to employment. This has to be carefully designed based on detailed surveys of existing potential work opportunities and of available educational training facilities. Seventh 5-year plan, from 1985 to 1990, the demand for secondary education has been growing. Provision has been made for this purpose and for promoting distance learning techniques and open school systems. Girls' education will be free up to higher secondary stage. The teaching of science and mathematics at the higher secondary stage will be strengthened and made universal. Environment education will be form an important aspect of science education. Facilities for production of the requisite audiovisual material, including educational software for broadcasting, will be augmented substantially in the seventh plan. One of the essential conditions for continuous improvement in the quality of secondary education is an effective system of in-service training of teachers. The existing facilities will be assessed, additional requirements will be met, and steps taken to meet them. The opportunity provided by the new communication technology will be explored for this purpose. 8th 5-year plan 1992 to 1997, students have been diverted to vocational streams. As per NPE, new CSSs for vocationalization of higher secondary stage, improvement of science education and environmental orientation to school education were started. 9th 5-year plan from 1997 to 2002. More importantly, these are disparities in educational access as between the urban, rural or tribal areas. Gender disparities also existed. The 9th plan will lay emphasis on the revision of curricula so as to relate this to work opportunities, pre-vocational training at the secondary level, and the open learning system will be expanded and a wide variety of courses offered. 10th 5-year plan 2002 to 2007, secondary education serves as a bridge between elementary and higher education and prepares young people between the age group of 14 to 18 years for entry into higher education. The impact of recent initiatives undertaken for the universalization of elementary education is resulting in an increased demand for the expansion of secondary education. 11th 5-year plan 2007 to 2012, the success of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan in achieving large-scale enrollment in the children in regular and alternate schools has thrown open the challenge of expanding access to the secondary education too. Rapid changes in the technology and the demand for skills also makes it necessary that young people acquire more than 8 years of elementary education to acquire the necessary skills to compete successfully in the labor market. Moreover, the secondary education serves as a bridge between elementary and higher education. 12th 5-year plan 2012 to 2017, it ensures quality secondary education with relevant skills including basic competency in mathematics, science, language and communication. Implement common curricula and syllabi of nationally accepted standards for science, maths, English in all schools in the country. Developing life skills including skills of critical and constructive thinking, use of ICT, organization and leadership and community services. 12th plan expected outcomes, India achieving a MYS of 7 years, regional, gender and social gaps in elementary education enrollment bridged and that in secondary education reduced. Gender gap in literacy reduced to 10 percentage points. A significant improvement in quality and standard of education in government schools also improved. Extend Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan gradually to higher secondary stage and cover all the government and aided schools. Set national norms of secondary schooling for universalization of secondary education. Hence, each 5-year plan aims to achieving certain targets. 5-year plan constitutes steps toward the fulfillment of secondary education planning. Thank you all.